Developers have been waiting for an AI coder capable of analyzing its own mistakes and rewriting its logic in a completely offline environment. This is Ornith 1.0. It is a localized, self-scaffolding model designed to run directly inside your daily developer workspace. Out of the box, it takes your logic requirements and builds the base for functional landing pages. This chart tracks performance over time. Standard open-source models remain static after you download them, while Ornith scales upward with every task it completes through internal iteration. Running this locally gives you an evolving engineering assistant. You retain total privacy over your proprietary codebase, and you eliminate cloud API costs. Step 1 is getting the model running on your machine. Ensure your Ollama background service is active first so the connection goes through smoothly. Open your terminal and execute this exact command. Ollama run Ornith 1.0. You must deploy this model where it belongs. It is heavily penalized for creative writing tasks because its architecture is strictly optimized for agentic coding pipelines. We can verify the result of that optimization by filtering the current leaderboards for local-only licenses. This table displays the baseline evaluations. At only 9 billion parameters, Ornith routinely outperforms models 3 to 4 times its size in human eval and MBPP coding tasks. Selecting a purpose-built, agent-driven model over a generalized chatbot is the mandatory first requirement for reliable, autonomous execution. Here is how it operates under the hood. We set the configuration to autonomous execution mode. The AI writes its own unique task recipe for the problem you give it, bypassing rigid human prompts. It takes those parameters and builds a structured, step-by-step action plan in Markdown, defining exactly how it intends to build out the logic. Always pause here. Review these generated steps manually to verify the logic is sound before you allow the AI to proceed. Once you approve the approach, hit the Run command to trigger the generation. The model will now write the raw Python scripts and output them directly into your local workspace folders. Upon finishing the script, Ornith immediately runs its output against automated test suites to calculate a strict performance grade. That final score acts as a direct trigger. A high grade automatically updates the model's internal reinforcement learning policy. This diagram shows the scaffolding loop in action. The grader feedback routes straight back into the plan generation module. The AI permanently rewrites its logic parameters for handling similar problems in the future based on that feedback. Sustaining this continuous reinforcement learning loop turns your local installation into an adapting system. Its accuracy compounds with every single execution. For daily use, you interact with the trained model through a local chat interface, saving outputs to a dedicated folder. Because the entire engine runs on your local hardware, your proprietary codebase remains completely isolated from external data scraping. To scale up to complex software projects, integrate this model into a multi-agent operating system. Open your system settings and assign Ornith as the local engine. You can assign specific coding modules to distinct AI agents across a shared organizational board, allowing them to collaborate autonomously. Networking specialized, self-improving agents together allows you to coordinate multiple specialized workflows across a single local machine. You now have a system capable of turning raw requirements into functional UI code without an internet connection. This chart projects the compounding advantage over time. As the model trains itself across 50 million iterations, its performance uplift creates a clear efficiency gap over baseline static models. Feed the model your first task description and start testing its output in your own environment. By embracing local, self-scaffolding models, you accelerate your daily coding tasks while building an autonomous, offline asset that becomes smarter the more you use it.